By the way, my name is Israel Matseke Zulu, aka JP Orange. Welcome to the podcast. Allow me to introduce my guest today. My sister, how are you?
Ngiphila njani?
Siyaphila nathi. Umnandi?
Ngiphila kakhulu.
Uphilile? Ngiyabona mani, ngathi wile abantu laba abajoli. Hayi umuntu ojola kakhulu. Shima umuntu ojoli kuba ngumuntu free spirit.
Yes.
Umuntu onenjabulo, ne? You are full of joy.
Kakhulu.
Good. So you from Office originally?
Yeah, can say Paul Office.
A Paul.
Paula. Yeah.
Paula Office. It's Mpumalanga, ne?
Yes.
Okay, where do you work?
Ngisebenza mina eSobotshani, Witbank eDuva.
Eduba.
Yes.
Witbank eMalahleni.
Yes.
What do you do?
Mina ngidrive i-truck, manje ngidrive water truck, water bus.
Oh, you are a truck driver.
Yeah. Code 14.
Code 14.
Yes.
So it was your dream from school, from primary, which one are going to be a truck driver?
Honestly, no.
Yeah.
Yabo. Impilo yabo iyakuphusha ukuthi ugcine wenza ezinye izinto yabo ongazimisela ukuthi ungazenza.
Yeah, tell me that story ukuthi how did you transform from your original dream that you dreamt about, which maybe I'm going to be a doctor,
Okay.
or I'm going to be a chemical engineer or a psychologist. Then along the journey, through the circumstances of life and the challenges, tell us the story.
Okay, so mina ngukatla Khumalaza. Okay, as ngikhula ngifuna ukuba umimi.
Oh.
Yes. So ngathi mangicela ukuphasa matric ngayofunda e-ABM college azange kuhambe kahle and ngapha nezimali yabo because ngikhulise umama ozibhakela amagwinya namakuku. Imali mengekho enough ukuthi ngifundisa nokuphasa yabo esikoleni bengakhona ukuthola ama-NSFAS. Okay, ngabona manje ukuthi ukuhlala akusizi kube umama wami uvuka ngo5 ekseni athengisa amagwinya nani yabo and ekhaya vele siyaphanda in a good way mara.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, we hustle kakhulu. So mina ke there was this one time umsebenzi ngisebenzile eitolo Shoprite, Cambridge nani. Ekugcineni ngezwa omunye ubhuti athi kuyaqashwa yabo. So ne license nginayo and ngiyakwazi ukudrive. So mina bengifuna ukwenza umshini emine yabo ne certificate somshini. Yes. So bangithatha ngaya kule company ngayofuna umsebenzi. Mangiyofuna umsebenzi sona bathi kuyaqashwa and then bathatha iCV yami bangibuza ukuthi zivalid na le certificate. Ngathi mina yakhoza ngisho yazi kulamalanga abantu bayazithenga nani. And then bathi okay sizokutesta. And then ngathi mina kunankinga ngalinda for i-call yabo bangifonela vele bangitesta emayini bathola ukuthi hayi ngi-right yabo. And then bangitshela ukuthi yazini i-space salomsebenzi lo asikho so sizokufaka ngapha e-tracking. You understand? Then ngathi mina kunankinga.
Before bakufaka bangifakeni mabaqasha so wena ucabanga ukuthi uyenza muphi umsebenzi?
Mengithi ngenza i-ADT umshini drive mine.
Umshini
kunale mshini ama-yellow machines
in the mine.
Yes, emine phakathi.
Asho
kunaloyo ama-front end loader lawa alayishela amalahle bese mina driver i-water bowser enkulu.
Okay.
Yes.
Nge-license yakho.
Yes.
So ngakuthatha i-license wena you went straight for code 14
No. Mina ngine-code 10. Yes, ngine-code 10 and then bangicela ecompany ukuthi le truck engidriver it requires code 14.
Code 14.
And then bese ngayenza code 14.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's your story.
Yes, that's my story.
So how did you came across this podcast? And then what made you keen or interested to come to the podcast? Ufika kanjani la emalibholo la eGomora la ufika kanjani?
Okay, so mina invite ku TikTok ngumuntu inspire abantu because le industry lengiyo abafazi kakhulu like bayasaba yabo bayasaba ama track nani so mina nalabo abancane so ngifisa bangathi amantombazana ngabona ukuthi it's possible yabo nanoma ungayofundela noma yini like ubudoctor nani angisho yazi ukuthi mayimsebenzi akusiyilo ukuthi uthole try yana noma kuphi you understand so mina ke banginviteile bathi bacela uyenza i-podcast yabo because
invite over Charles drive amatraka and uyintombazana.
Yes.
But no. We were funela a podcast.
Yes.
Okay.
And then bese ngiyeza
ke. Okay. What are the challenges as a woman who is a truck driver in the industry that is dominated by men?
Okay, mina so far ama-challenges anginawo, but ngifila ngathi ama-challenges angaba khona ukuba ukufila intimidated yabo because mawunamadoda mawusebenza namadoda esikhathini esiningi bakubona ngathi like kokunye bakuthathela phansi emsebenzini so kumele like ube brave ungabi nindaba naloko ngisho wena uyazi ukuthi ufuna isinkwa nje ufuna imali lokho nje.
So are you not scared about accidents or hijacking?
No,
khona ba-hijack ama-truck.
Angifuni ukutshela amanga lokho mina kuyangithusa futhi lokho ama-hijacking but lokho ama-accidents no because ngiyalandela umthetho. Yes, and I don't use my phone while driving yabo yonke into nje i-right endleleni ne-speed and ngiyabahlonipha nabantu abahamba ngamakara amancane angithatha advantage yokuthi ngoba ngisetruckini uzongilinda loya noma afike ekuqala estopini. I don't do that nje ngihamba kahle ngenza yonke into right mara lokho ama-hijacking nani yo ngiyakusaba shame.
So njengoba siyi-truck as you wanted to be an educator, what's the difference now? Uyaregreta ukuthi kahle kahle mina ngiyi-mistress now sengizithola ngidrive amatraka mhlawumbe kula matraka you living better as you were supposed to be a mistress.
Okay, mina angiregreti next but I'm grateful yabo because angekwazi ukuthi kube ngifundelile ukuba uthisha ngabe ngikuphi yabo. Ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngaloko manje anginikeze khona because ngisonye nje it's because of lo msebenzi lo angazi ukuthi kube bengasingiwo ngabe njani. So
but based on my experience man our mistress bahlupheka most ngeke advise lo mntwana wami ukuthi ashade mistress. Bahlala banenkinga yemali babroke mara bayavuka everyday bayemsebenzini. What I've seen about them bahamba ama-meeting kakhulu obukhosati ama-conference nini bayatoyitoya ababhadalwanga kwasha kwacima nithi mara impilo kanti njani.
And I mean, I think ngiba abantu bekumele like bahole kakhulu.
Yes. Kanti life there is other way round. Ukhuluma iqiniso. Yibo bekumele bahole kakhulu ngoba they teach us and then they become millionaires. Yibo abafundisa the future doctors, the future presidents. They prepare people for the good future. But it's a sector nje yabantu abahluphekayo. Angifuni ukuyalenga. Angifuni ukubhayisikele hayi ngodlalo futhi bangayithathi personal mara bayayazi lento engikhulumayo. Abaningi banenkinga ye-gambling, banenkinga yama-loans, banenkinga yey'koloto aba-afford next angeke aka-afford indlu, i-bond, abanayimoto bayabala nje. I think abanye abahlakaniphile streetwise at the same time who have another stream of income. Kusho ukuthi kube mistress khona umunye spread ukungcwaba nomasisi angitshela story sakhe ukuthi she was a mistress and then she ventured into a corporate world and then she did very well. Bekayenza ama-event bekashaya the most biggest event la eLexandra bo carnival bo Gomora festival bashaya i-all white party bekahamba ama-Cap Road phuza top of the range. So now question here. What will be words of wisdom or advice or motivation to the girls or to the women out there who still believes in the culture of a man is a provider, who sit and do nothing, waiting for a man to pay everything, to buy food, to protect, and do everything?
Okay. Mina advising now engatshela abantu yona ne to women, more especially to young women ne sukuma like uzenzele uphande akusimnandi ukuthi uyintombazana ulinda imali from emfaneni. Yes, yasho ukuthi vele imnandi imali yendoda njengoba abantu basho, mara having your own money is very much important, because just imagine like ulindile end of ufuna uyenza ikhanda umuntu akasafuna ukunikeza imali, yabo sekubhlungu ene ugcina sekwenza nezinto ezirong ela obviously la mipata
ngisho mina ichiscope yami ngiyazevela. No, siyakha siswa mayekani.
Yes,
we try to build a nation ukuthi babheke i-life with a different angle.
Yes,
bayenze izinto in a different way ngoba the way lesihlobo esihamba ngayo angiboni is-benefita as the nation.
Well, I see mnandi.
So ngiyakuchallenge ngoba wena ngikubona as an independent woman who's capable to drive a truck, who's brave. So that's why ngikunika the question there ngoba ngifuna reproducer amantombazana afana nabo. Qhubeka with your words of wisdom.
Mina ngithi like singamantombazana kumele sizisebenzeleni singadepende ebafaneni, because egcineni ukuba nemali yakho ezintombazana kumnandi nje, cabanga so uprovide abantu bakini onjani yabo. And lento le iyana khona nge background, asikisi background yami la ubuya khona yabo. Kumnandi ukuthi ube nabantu aba supportive yabo, abakholelwa kuwe. Even if mhlambe kini abakholelwa kuwe, it's okay, believe in yourself, pusha yabo, uzitshele wena ukuthi into so uzoyenza. Njengami mina ngathi mangiqeda ukuthola my certificate ne ngazitshela mina ukuthi ngizosebenza imali, and manyofola nani bengigcoka ama-overall njengomuntu like ophuma sekasebenza. Abantu babangibuza estradini ukuthi uyapi, no bayongithesta yabo ngithola umsebenzi nani, because ngine-faith. Yes, i-faith kimi yangisebenzele, and nokuzisusa ebantwini abakhohlisanayo kuzokusiza lo, because if like uyachubeka nabangani bakho mhlambe like in busy nama-blesser nani, obviously ngisho ingqondo vele uzosolo ukuchubeka lo. Balekile ukuthi ube nabantu like aba-positive abazokwakha. Njengami my friend ufundele ukuba umemi, uyakholelwa nje kimi, igama lakho uVuyisile Mthombeni, i-best friend yami, uyakholelwa kimi, uyangisupporta yabo, izinto ezikanjalo.
Uyi-mistress yena manje?
No, like uyafunda. Yes, usafunda, uyakholelwa kimi nani izinto ezikanjalo. So iloko nje kumele uzibandakanye nabantu right. Yes,
people will add value in your life.
Yes,
ungamingile nabantu aba-useless.
Yes,
abantu abangayenzi sense life in yami.
Yes,
it's very important,
very much important. Ne-respect
bayibiza ukuthi it's a cartel, in a big term.
Okay,
you create a cartel of powerful pillars, we can say, so that the life yakho ibe successful. So the longest trip you've ever drive?
No, give me my local.
Oh, now drive a local?
Yes, I'm ngenza local for now. But I think I'll do a long distance next year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you look forward to have your own trucks?
Yeah, looking forward to have my own tracks and also start a business yama room.
Okay.
Yes, ngifuna ukurentisa.
Or in the summer room.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's a good business. Leo is generational wealth.
Yes.
Usho noma songaseke emhlabeni abantwana bakho bayohlala ba-benefita kulama room.
Yes.
And in room akunakuthi umuntu uzafika ikhuphe ayitshontshe. Angatshontsha ngaphakathi. Mali imoto bangayithatha. So it's a good investment.
Kakhulu.
Okay. Kokugcina-ke yini into ofuna ukuyisho nje ebantwini before you call it a rap, say cut. So what would you like to say to the people? Khona manje singena ku-August, it's Women's Month. Ngiyazi there's Women's Day, there's Girlfriend Day, there's Girls Day, there's Grandmother's Day, there's women's they've got many holidays, ne? Since August is Women's Month. You are one of the ambassadors on this podcast to represent women.
Okay, mina into engayisho kubantu besifazane ukuthi nihlaleni safe, nivuke ezimbokodo, nihlaleni bahle. Yeah, and nishayine nje ngaso sonke isikhathi. Into engayisho.
Oluthoba igama lakho?
Katlego Malazi.
Oh, Katlego Malazi. Siswami, siyabonga ne?
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, thank you very much for coming to the podcast and share your story. Everyone has a story to tell, but not everyone has guts to tell the story. So you are one of the people that are brave, who came in and come and tell the story. Amantombazana ayabona out there, it's possible.
It's possible.
It's hard. It's not only made to be driven by men only. La ngihlala ngakhona ngibone enye intombazane iphuma ngetruck is an industrial site khona ama-frame lapha kuna yonke into. Ngibone intombazane iphuma ngetruck lapho. Ngithi maybe last question. You know, when I see a woman in anything, I feel unsafe. And when I'm going to drive a truck, I'm not assured ukuthi lo muntu ayazi into ayenzayo. You know why? Because as women, Nina, you are feminine. And then most of the women, they show that in everything that they do.
No, I understand.
It's like a traffic inspector, Metropolis. Maramile lapana azomisa imoto. As a woman, Tina, as amajita, mangizomangisa. Angeke ngicabanga nokuthi ngithuke ukuthi ish mina ngiphani behind olini. Ngivele ngicabanga ukuthi ngizothi hello umuhle yazi. Ushuthi ichallenge ingakubopha.
Yeah. Angisho
ishambulu lepoison.
Ingqondo zenu.
Yeah, so you know why I'm bringing this?
Yeah.
I want you to answer me, Gucci. How do you overcome it?
Okay.
Now when you're born, you're showing the track and you're feeling me. Now, so yes, now we can. When I focus, you just spanning. Me, I'm going to need to only cherry. Like cherry and share straight. Go to drive the track, I'll go to the next level.
Oh, so you mean how do I overcome using to look tatelo pants?
Yeah. How do you overcome? How can I call it? How do you overcome that mentality from men perspective side of it? Men are like that. That is why. As a woman, let's say you are a mistress you need to wear dignified.
Yes.
Do you believe it?
I believe you.
I'm not a mistress ugqoka ama-tights.
No.
Njengalo mistress lo athanda ukumveza kakhulu ku-social media.
Lothanda ukushoota.
Yeah, lo ngathi yi-celebrity eklasini. No, I don't approve it. If I was a minister of education, bengeke you are standing at the front. There's boys in the classroom. already abantwana bazoluza i-focus.
Distraction.
Thina in our generation besifundiswa abomama ngagcoka amaroko afika la, sifundiswa abogogo futhi imistress ogogo umoya ogogo lo ugogo vele makafundisa imath yocabanga imath, nothing else. Are we together? So, but I see most of educators abandlula estrategy sokuya esikoleni, the way they portray their characters, for me, I don't approve. Personally, I for one. But I'm not choice is democracy. No, it's not my rights. Everyone has rights. Kids have rights. Women have rights. So, but as human, I believe my intomasana melus funny. Guse amadoda angabheki ngale liso leli okhulume ngalo in the beginning of the conversation.
Yes.
Angithi?
Njalo.
So what's your strength, or what are your tactics? How do you overcome such scenario?
Okay. Okokuqala le othi ubone like umfazi yabo ukuthi bese ufila unsafe. Leyo mina ngazitshela ukuthi into amadoda ayenzayo mina ngizoyenza ngcono. You understand? Ake ngihlulwe into amadoda khona ukuyenza. Ule way lento lenye overcome ke. And yesithuna kuyenzeka nasemsebenzini kube mhlambe nendoda ethi ecabanga ukuthi ukahlahanyeka zakhona ukuyenza lento le mina ngayenza. You understand? And then bese le yokuzihlonipha nanani kubalekile ukuthi uzihloniphe nasemsebenzini. You must be professional. You don't date at work, you don't flirt, you don't do anything as snacks. Yabo. So yeah, mina umsebenzi wami ngiyawuthanda and ngiyawuhlonipha kakhulu. So yeah, singabantu vele sihlukile because if uzoyenza into snacks vele ngizonikeza bonke abafazi yabo igaba bacabanga ukuthi sonke senza into eyi-one kanti asifani. Injalo lento le.
Siswami asibonge.
Ngiyabonga.
Asibonge impilo. And happy Women's Day.
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you.
Alright.
Keep him outraged. The top professor out. See you next time.